Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be trying out the Irresistible Me Ponytail. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. Okay, so first, this whole face issue here, I know. Okay, I know. My foundation is super light. My eyeshadow I am not for. And this eyebrow is looking a little crazy. I did a video, I just filmed it, of me trying out some weird beauty products, and this is what it ended up with. That video should be uploaded by the time you guys are watching this, so I will link it down below so you guys can go laugh. If you guys are having a bad day and you need to laugh, go look at that video or go watch that video because okay, so I have bought hair extensions before. I bought them from Sally's, I bought them from Bellamy. I really like hair extensions. I'm not good with them. I'm still learning, but I really do like hair extensions because it just changes your look altogether and you can kind of play around with it, and I love it. So this time I wanted to try out hair from Irresistible Me, and I've heard good things about it, but I have never tried any hair from them. When you get this, I don't have the box no more because I've had this sitting around for probably a month now. But when you get this, you get two compartments here. First, don't open up this one. This needs to stay sealed. You want to open up the small one first because they're going to give you one clip of hair to see if it matches your hair color. If it doesn't match, then you ship it back and they will refund you or send you out the shade that you need. But if this is tampered with or open, they will not return it. So keep that in mind. Like, let's just be honest. If this doesn't match my hair color, I would still keep it because I don't like to return things. This hair feels so good, people. Oh my gosh, this feels amazing. So I got it in the shade Jet Black, I think, and my hair is like really black. So it blends in. Like, I can't even see it. That's great. That is great. I'm going to have to buy hair extensions from this brand because I can tell you, I love the way that it feels. Okay, so let's open up the big compartment and get the ponytail out. Okay, so I forgot how to put this in, so I watched a video real fast of this girl doing it. And I only watched a little bit and I was like, okay, we'll figure it out. Okay, so I have used a ponytail before from the brand Bellamy. So I bought hair extensions. Oh my gosh, my face is so light, and then it looks like my bronzer and blush is just like right there. And with my eyeshadow color that I chose, I look like a clown, but I'm not a clown. So anyway, I have used the Bellamy ponytail, fake ponytail, from them before. I did not like it because it wasn't real hair. It was fake hair, and the hair was really ratty, and it was really hard to put in my hair. So yeah, but this one, I can tell you, oh my gosh, you guys, there is like this is so thick up here. Like, I don't feel like your hair is gonna poke through. So yeah, excited. We are going to, it did shed. I am getting some shedding from the hair. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is put my hair in a ponytail. I'm using my niece's brush again. Thanks, Abby. She's gonna watch it and be like, oh, I'm gonna kill you. Just joking, she won't care. So we're gonna put our hair up. I love my earrings. I got this from Target, I think, and I just love them. I have a necklace on too, and I got this from Target too, and it's like a chain necklace, or what do you call it? Do you call it a chain? It's not a chain. Maybe it is. I don't know. I want to go with a high ponytail because when we're in Vegas, my vision is like I have like this big like ponytail on top of my head, kind of like Kim Kardashian and Chloe, I think she does it too, and then like they whip it around. Like I wouldn't be able to whip it around because I mean my hair would probably go flying off, but okay, so I zoomed you guys out a little bit so you can see a little bit better. If I was going to be wearing this out like for an event or whatever, I would be slicking back all these like little flyaways, but since I'm just doing this for the video and I'll be taking this off like later today because I have conferences and I'm not gonna go with like all of this hair because I live in a town of like 300 or 500 people. I mean, people would be like, oh my gosh, did you see Billy with that fake ponytail on? Oh my gosh, let's talk some smack about her. Just joking. But there is people like that around here. So now when you get your ponytail, it comes with this little clip. I don't know if you can see it. This little clip here. And you want to clip it to your ponytail that you have in your hair. So you want to clip it in like, or not clip it in, you want to push it in. And I want to make sure that I really get that secure in there. And then you have, oh, you guys, do you see this? I'm excited. Okay, so then you get these 2 ribbons. What you want to do with that is you want to go around the ponytail and pull it tight and then cross them on top and do it again. And you want to tie it as tight as possible. So this is what I get scared about. Oh my gosh, did you guys see that? That was incredible. Okay, so I want to do it really tight. And then you want to like cross it here. I think I'm doing it right. If not, tell me in the comments down below, hey Billy, you're a fool, you're doing this wrong. I don't care. I mean, you guys can just be 100% honest with me. And honestly, I don't get mad. I don't get my feelings hurt. I don't have the boo-hoos and be like, oh my gosh, people were mean to me in the comments. No, I take all criticism and I know I'm not perfect, so I don't try to be. So now after you get down to, let me show you. Now once you get down to like your ribbons being small, then you want to take it into the back and you want to tie it. I should have probably not made them so tiny of ribbons, but whatever. It's not too late, but it's too late in my book because I'm not about to redo it. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see this? Look at, what in the heck is that? What is it? Oh my gosh. Okay, so now that I got that secure, I'm going to take this 1 clip extension that I got and I'm going to wrap this around my ponytail so then you can't see like that. You know what I mean? So I'm going to clip this in the back and I'm going to clip it upside down. So I'm going to clip it this way in the back of the head and then clamp it just like that, and then you will have your 1 clip. Let's see, can you guys see what I'm doing even? And then I'm just going to wrap this around. Okay, so then what I'm going to do, it's in the back, I'm going to take a bobby pin and pin it. Like so. I would have to say that this was super easy to do. One thing that I would do differently next time is when I clip in the ponytail, like at the very beginning, I think I would bring it forward a little bit because it is pushed back a little bit, and that was my fault because it was the first time doing it. But that one width of hair extension that I got, that one clip of hair extensions they give you, when I wrapped it around, you can't see the difference between my real hair and where the fake ponytail started. You can't see it at all. It looks like it's all my hair. So the one thing that I'm noticing is that I would definitely have to curl my hair, because my real hair is like, it's like hay. I don't know how to explain it. It's not like a silky texture. I have my dad's hair, which I really honestly feel like my dad has hay for hair. I would love to straighten my dad's hair. He has kind of like the bozo, like poof look. I would love to straighten it, but I feel like it would probably just like fry off. But anyway, my hair is very coarse. And this hair is very like silky, smooth, you know, feeling. So what I would have to do is curl it. I'm not going to curl it for the camera right now because my battery will definitely not stay alive that entire time. It's probably going to quit on me here soon. But if you have straight hair, this would work perfect for you. And I have to say, even though I would have to do some curling, and I would actually probably just like curl my hair before putting it up in a ponytail, and then I think it would blend in a little bit more because this isn't completely straight. There's a little bit of a wave here and there to it. So yeah, overall, I'm really excited. I'm really excited like how easy it was to like install it, and now it's just trying to master like getting them to blend a little bit more and everything. And this baby hair, like is it baby hair or is it like my hair fried off? I don't know what that is, but it needs to stop. It just needs to stop. But yeah, I will definitely be using this. I'm gonna play with this more because like I said, I want to wear this when I'm in Vegas because I love the length of it. Like, can you guys see how long this is? Like, look how long it is. Yeah, it is awesome. I love it. I know hair extensions can be quite expensive. It is an investment, but if you take good care of your hair extensions, they will last a very, very long time. My Bellamy extensions are like the second pair that I've ever bought, and I've had them for over 3 years now, and I've only had to wash them like once or twice, and I have to tell you, they're still like brand new. They're still like brand new. They're just amazing. So yes, they are kind of expensive, but if you take care of them, they will last you a very long time. So the moral of the story is take care of your hair extensions and they will last. Kind of like anything else in life. You know, you take care of it, it'll most likely last a pretty long time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this video can help somebody else out there. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!